show the whole world what we're all about. Be the girls with a passion for fashion. Ooh, Bratz, they'll always be there for each other. Ooh, Bratz, yeah. Styling how we feel. Ooh, talking about best friends. Yeah. Together we can do anything. Gotta plan the dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
Check out these jammin' tunes I got for our wildlife safari party.
Cool. The Rockin' Safari prints and toy parrots I ordered are on their way.
Where's Yasmin?
Library.
The National Weather Service in Red Fountain has issued a dust storm warning for northeastern Magix County in central Magix, south central Wildlands County in central Magix, central city of Magix City in central Magix. Until 1 p.m. At 11 a.m., an extremely dangerous dust channel was over northeastern Magix County, or 7 miles north of eastern Magix County, moving south at 12 miles per hour. Dust storm emergency for the city of Magix City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Delay travel. Dust storms result in massive and deadly accidents. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 80 miles per hour. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. Dust storms are deadly. Zero visibility. If caught in dust, pull off the road and turn off all lights. Delay travel if at all possible. Locations impacted include Magix Field Airport, Magix Municipal Airport, City of Magix City.
States.com. You passed our stringent background check.
Mother of Pink! I'm going to meet a man.
I'm Eden's crush.
No, I'm Eden's crush.
No, he likes me because I'm like so blonde.
Well, he likes me because I like so know how to wear pink. We'll see when Eden asks me out for that Bratz magazine article on how to get a girl to go out with you.
That's the worst magazine idea I've ever heard. We'll do how to get a guy to go out with you.
Neato!
Your thing will outscoop that crummy little Bratz magazine once and for all.
Yeah!
Styling. Oh, that must be the toy parrots.
Now that's what I call lifelike.
Lifelike! Lifelike! Oh my gosh, they're alive!
Don't be ridiculous.
Ew! They're real, all right.
So,
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:45 p.m. for northwestern Magix, south central Wildlands and central city of Magix City counties. At 11:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near northeastern Magix County, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for the city of Magix City. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts, and a dust storm warning has been issued. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Now you're ready.
yes!
Dude, where are you going? To ask that girl out.
Not!
Now you're ready. except for two tiny things. This is for your ear.